Hello! So, in tonight's episode, we tour a VW T6 Vivanti van.
And here to show us around this T6 is the owners.
Hello.
David and Claire.
Right, come with me. So, we'll start at the back. Obviously slightly different layout to a normal VW camper van in the sense of the beds at the front. So in the back we've got the kitchen area this side. So you've got, let's take your gloves off. You've got your sink there with your hot and cold. There's no water in the tank, hence why Stu's just done my washing up for me. Moving forward, you've then got your hob, which is under here. We don't really use the hob a lot when we're away. I can't actually get it up because of all the stuff on there. It's
like an all-in-one system though, isn't it? So you've got the sink is on the left, the hob is on the right, so that's just one system. So overspill on the hob can go straight into the sink.
Yeah, exactly that. And then the gas is underneath. The gas goes in that cupboard there. And then we've got the oven and the grill. So it's not just, on a lot of the vans you only get the grill, but this has got the oven as well, so you can turn it one way for the grill and the other way for the oven. And then as I said before, just take the towel away. You got underneath, you've got the gas. We have got a little camping gas stove as well, so we've got a couple of gas canisters in there for that as well. You've then got storage underneath the sink, so we've got a big cupboard down here. At the bottom, that's where we keep our electricity cable. It rolls up and it goes in that bag. The bag stops the moisture getting anywhere else because it keeps obviously the moisture from the lead where it's been on grass or whatever. We've got our Christmas tree in the corner.
Gotta have a Christmas tree, Dave. Love it.
Exactly that. Then moving over to this side, let's just take the heater out of the way. Obviously we're on electric hookup, so we use their electricity, but this is our favourite part of the van. You've got your bar.
Oh, I like that.
Let me just
that's wicked.
Turn the light on so you can see a bit better. So you can hold the bottles there, and then you've got your bits for the glasses as well. Keep a few other bits and pieces in there as well.
And then up top.
And then up top, oh, he's going into everything. Things are probably going to fall out. So we've got this is our sort of games DVD cupboard, and then you've got the solar controller just up the top there. Yeah. To be honest, I know a lot about the solar. I just kind of leave it to its
either works or it doesn't.
Exactly that.
And then your electric controls would be yeah,
you've got your electric controls there. So leisure and vehicle battery, lights, water pump, and then auxiliary. We've also got like mood lights as well, so you can turn that on. And then you've got mood lights on the floor as well, Stu. Don't know if you can see down there.
A couple of LEDs dotted around the floor. I like that.
So yeah, there's quite a lot of lighting in this vehicle. You've got a strip light at the back there, a strip light this side as well, exactly the same. And yeah, so that's the lighting, that's this part of the van. So let's just close that up, I'll start moving forward. Oh, the other thing actually that we've got that a lot of other VWs haven't got, a lot of you will be surprised to see this, is we've got our toilet.
A toilet in a T6. And then the cassette is just in here, so it's a fully working toilet.
Exactly.
That is class. You don't see that often on a VW, do you?
No, you don't, and that's what we love about it. So then, yeah, moving forward, we've got the three-way Dometic fridge. So we've got your gas, the electricity and the battery. You've got a cupboard down the bottom.
Sorry.
That's all right, I'm going too fast. You've got a cupboard down the bottom that's got like all the dog stuff in there. There you go. It's quite a big cupboard actually.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of storage on here, isn't there?
Yeah, it's good for storage. Then you've got the wardrobe. I don't know what's going to fall out of here. Actually, it's not too bad.
No,
you've got your mirror inside the wardrobe. So up the top, that is a bed, but we use it as storage. Bed's not pulled all the way back at the minute, so we've got a bit of head height and we've got storage. So, it's kind of the
basically,
best of both
where
worlds.
I'm standing now in the kitchen, you can properly stand and do whatever you need to do out here.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you've got your seating lounge.
Yeah.
Up here then.
So you've got your seating lounge. This is where the dogs sit most of the time. So you've got Tess's blanket there, and we've got Lily's blanket here. Yeah, the front seat, that one swivels, that one doesn't, because obviously of the space constraints. So essentially, if we was to set this up as a lounge, you've got your hole there where your pole goes for the table. The table goes here. And then we swivel that round, so you can sort of seat 4 people around the table. It's not going to be too comfortable with 4 people, but there's only 2 of us anyway, so it's not too bad. What else have we got? We've got the Webasto heater. So the van is actually quite rare for a T6. It's the petrol version, so the heating runs off of petrol, and the outlet is just down here underneath the seat.
There they are.
I'm trying to think what else we've got. So we've got a safe that is underneath this seat here.
So if you're breaking in, guys, you know exactly where to go.
Yeah, I shouldn't have said that, should I? It's a bit obvious. We've got the TV there, and then just beneath the TV, that's where the table goes. So that's where that's stored. And then the other thing we've got is we've got the hot water tank. It's a 10 litre tank. It's underneath this seat, so you can access it by flapping the seat up. That's a bit of a rigmarole, so I'm not going to go into that now and do that for you. What else have we got? I think that's pretty much it.
But you know what, like you said, for 2 people and their 2 dogs, you know, you've got your bed, you've got your seating area, you've got somewhere you can cook, you can use the toilet, you've got your fridge, you have literally got everything that you need for a comfortable weekend away.
100%.
I say a weekend away, you could easily go away in a week for this, couldn't you?
Yeah, we have done. We've done quite a few weeks away. So, and the other thing we've got as well, actually, before I forget, is we've got some Christmas decorations, which was made by the lovely Rucks kids. So yeah, they came and tapped on the door last night, and they bought us some chains. So, and
you've got some decorations in there, make it a bit more Christmassy.
We've got the strip lights, the colour changing strip lights. We use that all year round. Yeah. Because that was the only thing we did find about the vans. The LEDs are like your clinical white kind of colour. Yeah. We didn't feel that it felt too homely, so we thought if we put like colour changing rainbow lights in, we thought it'd, you know. And
at Christmas time it's perfect, because you ain't got to decorate the van too much. You've already got the colour changing lights.
Yeah. And obviously we've got our curtains up the top as well, so we can draw them for the 2 windows. But it's quite nice because that lets light in the daytime as well.
So sleeping capacity, there is a bed up top. You can have 1 adult and a child or 2 children. And then down here, this converts.
Yeah, so basically what happens is, let's just move that out of the way and I'll kind of show you in brief. So that pulls out to the middle here. This one pulls out to the middle here, and then these 2 go flat. So essentially you get a larger than double. It's between a double and a king size bed at the bottom here, and this is all of your bed space. It's quite good actually, because if you was to leave it set up as a bed somewhere and you was to go off, it would deter someone from stealing the van, because they wouldn't be able to get to the driving seat without putting all the seats back up. So it's quite a good little
more security, the better, 100%. I just spied your little sign as well, that's cool. Happiness is going away in the camper.
Yeah, and that's USB powered, so it's lovely. Yeah, and I mean, in terms of the actual van itself, I'll move out the way so Stu can film the cab.
Oh, come on, look at the cab.
So yeah, it's the VW, it is the Trend line. No, sorry, it's the High line. So it's the 2nd highest spec. So we've got the leather steering wheel, we've got the cruise control, 6-speed gearbox, your Bluetooth. You've got all the things that you need. And it's a great van to drive because it's petrol, so it's got the oomph when you need it.
A little bit of oomph to suit as well. But yeah, this is just a different angle now looking down the van. And I gotta say, I love it. Yeah. Absolutely love it. I think it's a stunning van. They've got these little dog leads to keep the dogs that go into the seat belts. I've not seen that before, but that's very clever. But this is David and Claire's from Do Little Campers.
And Tessie.
And Tessie.
Oh, hello.
VW T6.
Thank you.
So until next time, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.